How to create this type-off SpotLight effect in Figma. Let's see the tutorial. First of all, open Figma on your PC or laptop. Then tap on Deassign. Then press F for Create a Frame and create a frame. Fix the size.
And change the color black.
Then, set a ruler and guide. After that, press T and type your own text anywhere.
Edit the text à your wish.
Now drag the text and place it in the center of the frame.
Change the color of the text to black.
After that, press O for Create an Ellipse. After creating the ellipse, give it a layer blur effect, and set its value to 50%. Then give the ellipse a color of your choice. After that, create a component and create a variant. And delete the last ellipse. Then go to the prototype option and connect them. Set the setting what I showing on. Now hold down Alt on your keyboard and drag the bottom ellipse to place it over your entire text. After that, duplicate your text. Then select all and give them use as a mask. After that, select your frame and go to Preview option. Now you are done.